Everyone knows a kitchen's food preparation space should be clean, free of contaminants, and properly sanitized. However, food service managers face challenges in ensuring their teams adhere to these proper cleaning and sanitization protocols. The key challenge to minimizing cross-contamination is time to dry and utilizing the right tools properly. Now introducing WypAll Foodservice cloths, which offer a solution that is faster absorbing and more effective. In fact, the WypAll heavy-duty food service cloth is 25% faster at absorbing than leading competitive disposable wipers. In the same 20-second time frame, watch how WypAll Foodservice cloth absorbs and leaves the surface almost completely dry for better surface sanitization versus a leading competitor's cloth, which does not absorb as fast, leaving the surface wet and open for contamination. WypAll Foodservice cloths are available in everyday, heavy, and ultra-duty. They are reusable and remain strong and durable even after getting wet. For a better clean and better sanitization, choose WypAll brand food service cloths.